I mentioned that the adoption tends to take place by starting small with a single project and then expanding from there and working very incrementally, which is great, and that can be a very effective approach. But as you expand, budget becomes much more of an issue. Anybody who's buying products needs to be able to predict how much they're going to spend because they've got a budget to meet. If everything is kind of pay as you grow and pay as you go, budgets can get out of hand, or actually spending can get out of hand. The issue that I was commenting on was lack of transparency and just the complexity of some of the models. That there are a lot of vendors in the low-code marketplace, and there are a lot of different business models and pricing metrics that come into play. You see some that do per seat. You see some that do per function or per tier of function. Some combine those two. Some do more reflection of, have metrics that are more a reflection of resources consumed. That can get really complicated. The problem I was highlighting was, can you actually get the information you need to know how your spending is likely to behave as you expand? And B, when you're comparing vendors, can you actually come up with a way of comparing them, even though they use different models?